If you want a really easy 3-ingredient whole food plant-based recipe, stick around until the end of this video to get it. Never throw those old bananas away again. Did you know that when your bananas get even more ripe, they have more antioxidants in them? It's true. So you can use them in smoothies and ice cream or baked goods like this. As you can see, I have a very large amount of bananas. I use 10 super ripe bananas in this recipe with 2.5 cups of organic sprouted rolled oats. I then put copious amounts of cinnamon in the bowl and went to town with my hands to mix it. You can use potato masher if that's your thing. I baked for an hour at 300 degrees. I accidentally ate one before I got to put syrup on it because I had to try it out, you know what I mean? Then I used homemade strawberry syrup that I made from a local farm that grows beautiful berries. And this is so good that Cohen said he wants this for his 6th birthday, so that's what he's going to get. These are kids approved, husband approved, and approved by me, the holistic nutritionist. 3-ingredient sheet pan pancakes. They're so good. Put this in your recipe arsenal, batch cook them and freeze them. Get on the whole food plant-based bandwagon. You're gonna feel amazing, and thanks for watching.